The indoor rabbit run needs a deep clean. Look at my legs. Look how hairy my legs are. Pipkin. Forage boards that I bought the other day. These. It never ends. Hi, Bubba's. You go on your mat. You go on. There we go. Put this one down. Put this one down. I'll do.
2 hours later.
Okay, we're in the cat kitchen. Bobo's already had his food. So Bing is going to have hers. And she's got turkey. You got turkey, Bing Bing, haven't you? You got turkey? Because you're a turkey lover. You're a turkey lover, Bing Bing. Oh. Look at that, Bing Bing. No, okay. You don't want it. Bing, get your tail out the way, Bing Bing. You get that tail out the way. Do you want some of these, Bing Bing? Bing? You want these? Then moo and chew. Moo and chew. Moo and chew. Treats. Freeze dried beef. You like them, so don't even mess me around. There you go. We knew it. We already knew it. So Bobo's already gobbled his up. And Bing is a really slow eater. Normally she eats over here. It's her kitchen, so she can eat where she likes. You can eat where you like, Bing Bing. She keeps looking to see if Bo is coming because Bo will run over here and eat hers. You're okay, Bing? You're okay. He's not going to eat yours. He doesn't even like yours. Good Bing. Has half a packet in the morning and half a packet in the evening of the marrow. Cat food, which is frozen and you put it in the fridge and it defrosts and it's fresh food. Over here, I've still got their Christmas calendar up. I need to take it down. Their treats. And their bowls go here and then they eat down there. Okay, so I've made this for the rabbit's dinner tonight. Some forage bits, some pellets, some treats, and a little chew ball. So, oh, look at the moon. Look at the moon. Why can't I see? It's a full moon tonight. It's a full moon tonight, guys. Do you know what that means? We're doomed. We're all doomed. We're all doomed, baby. Got a little treat board as well. There you go. Little treat puzzle. No. Thanks for watching. Peace.